Yo, what's good, YouTube? Morning, guys. How are you? So, apparently, I just finished creating um my shanty, my slum house shanty pack for my game. See, it says over 81 assets. So just include windows. We got roof. We got doors. See, we got faces. See, we got all time of faces. You see, so I'm still gonna add more stuff. So far, still like created 81 assets for the game that I'm creating. So yeah, so let's create a house. So let me save. Okay, let's add a new scene. So to install the pack, we just go to edit, preferences, file path, and then you're gonna add the folder that you're gonna extract. So let's create a house. So let me clear the scene here like this, and then I'm gonna go to go to asset browser like this, and then here I'm gonna select here. I'm gonna go down here, and then I'm gonna select Shanty environment houses. No. Yes, so let me expand here. So here it is. So like let's make a house. So I'm gonna expand this folder here. I'm gonna go to house frames. So I have like double story and also single. So for this for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna select like single for now. I'm gonna drag it, put it here like this. I'm gonna zoom into it. I'm gonna change my viewport shading to texture like this. So now this is our house frame. So now I'm gonna go to like faces and select like and see which face I want. So this is the front, so I'm gonna take this one here. So like this, I'm gonna drag it here. So the great thing about this, I said, you see the pivot point, I place it here in the corner, so it will be much easier to move. And then you can change your snap to vertex like this, and then if you drag it and snap it to the wood and snap it here like this, you see now you have something like this. So drag it out like this. Okay, like this. And then I'm gonna go to doors. I'm gonna add a frame. So let's take a frame here like this, snap it here, and let's snap it here, and then snap it here. So this is our door here. So now just drag this one a bit like this. So yeah, let's add a door. Or let's add this one. See, now we have our door here like this. Let me zoom into it. See, now we have our door. You see, okay, let's go to windows. Let's see which window we want. So far I don't have much windows, so I'm still gonna add them as time goes. So no, I'll add this one. Let me add this one. So I drag it out like this, go to my front, this, and then snap it here, and then drag it out like this, and then this. So now it's something like this. See? Let's go to the side. See, let's add add this one. See which, no, let's add this one. Let's add it here. See, try that here. Try that here like this. See, and then I want RZ. Yeah, it's a great thing, guys, about trading. No, my bad. It's a great thing about trading shanty houses. You see, the faces are not like perfectly aligned. That's the nice thing. So you can just rotate them the way you like, and it will like correspond like this. See, and then I'm gonna try it out like this, just a bit, and pull it out like this. See, just pull it like this. So now, see, it's perfectly closed. See, so far so good. Let's add a face to this side here. Let's go to wood faces. Let's see which one we add. Okay, let's add this one. I like this one. Let's see, like this. Okay, not bad. Okay. Like this. Shift D. Like this. See, and scale Z. Even if you scale them, you see the texture like it doesn't like will that much. See, we just finished creating our house in less than like 5 minutes. See, so like you can create like a ton of houses. I can show you, like, see right now we've just created this house. Now all you can do is just select all and then select your plane and Control J. No, okay, I need to fix my UV, damn. But anyways, if you want it, guys, you can check the links in the description. Oh, I forgot the window here. Which window we're gonna put? Okay, let's try this one. Let's put it here. See. Okay, guys, my keyboard 9 is not working, so I find it hard like to use like one string keyboard, so I'm just using my imagination. See, even the windows, you see there's a gap here. You just say SY. This is going, you see, it will like expand nicely and put it back like this, and then drag it down like this. See, just made our shanty house. See, now if let's change our render and see how it look like. Okay. Okay, it's set the same way with this stuff. See? See? Nice, huh? Nice. Thanks to you for watching, guys. Hope you come back.